Before we start the video, make sure you check the description to join our giveaways.
The EOS coin essentially is just toward the start of its excursion in a significant manner. It explicitly stands separated from cryptographic forms of money, both in its specialized attributes and in the size of its objectives. A basic demonstrating truth, more than $4 billion raised during the EOS pretty objective truly is to turn into an undertaking great answer for kind of decentralized applications sending. The group of the task shows a truly capable way to deal with the venture's specialized documentation, media appearance and generally presence in the business. This reality sort of assisted the coin with acquiring consideration from a few significant financial backers and raise one of the greatest market capitalizations in the business. The Block.1 Improvement Group, organizer behind EOS, drove by Dan Larimer, really was fortunate to in every practical sense, persuade parcels regarding individuals to trust in the undertaking's benefit amazingly as a matter of fact. All along, they truly reported the production of a conveyed working framework with brilliant agreements like Ethereum yet for the most part much better, which is very huge. So the EOS sort of was promptly proclaimed as an ETH executioner, which certainly is genuinely huge. The idea and technique for project execution itself by and large were extremely alluring for clients. On the off chance that at one time Ethereum became a genuine forward leap and is still in truly enormous interest, what might especially occur in the event that something like this showed up, however commonly more grounded, which most certainly is genuinely critical. The task really is mostly committed to giving a steady organization to decentralized applications incredibly. The engineering of EOS is planned in a manner that permits it to offer dApps designers especially simple sending, redesigns and bug recuperation. Likewise, as a blockchain network, EOS can give explicitly secure correspondence, information insurance and restriction obstruction, which is genuinely huge. In any case, the coin most certainly remains broadly subject to advertised changes and Bitcoin's notoriety. It seems to be the EOS cost history follows generally speaking business sector conduct notwithstanding the coin's safe situation as one of the especially significant digital currencies and huge consideration from institutional financial backers. In any case, the EOS cost expectation shows coin's promising future and solid opportunities to progress both in its cost and in its item includes EOS price prediction 2022 in an unpretentious manner. As per the specialized examination of EOS costs expected in 2022, the very least expense of EOS will be $1.37, most certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. The in every practical sense, greatest level that the EOS cost can for the most part reach explicitly is $1.54. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $1.44, which is genuinely critical. EOS price forecast for September 2022. In light of the value vacillations of EOS toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the for the most part normal EOS pace of $1.30 in September 2022, or so they thought. Its kind of least and greatest costs can especially be anticipated at $1.18 and at $1.34, separately, which is very critical. October 2022, EOS price forecast, which is very huge. Digital money specialists are truly prepared to report their conjecture for the EOS cost in October 2022, or so they really thought. The base exchanging cost may be $1.27, while the most extreme could reach $1.40 during this month in a sort of significant manner. By and large, it is normal that the worth of EOS could in a real sense be around $1.33. EOS price forecast for November 2022 in a truly significant manner. Crypto experts have actually taken a look at the value variances of EOS in 2022 and in earlier years, so the kind of normal EOS rate they foresee could truly be around $1.38 in November 2022. It can drop to $1.32 as a kind of least. The greatest worth could basically be $1.47. December 2022, EOS price forecast. Around mid-year 2022, the EOS cost will be exchanged at $1.44 by and large. December 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the EOS worth to $1.54 in an unpretentious manner. It sort of is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $1.37 in December 2022. EOS Price Prediction 2023. After the examination of the costs of EOS in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2023, in every practical sense, least cost of EOS will generally be around $1.98, which generally is genuinely critical. The most extreme expected EOS cost might be around $2.40. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $2.05 in 2023. EOS Price Prediction 2024 in a kind of significant manner. In light of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of EOS, in 2024, EOS is supposed to have the accompanying extremely least and especially greatest costs, about $2.82 and $3.45, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $2.92, most certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. EOS Price Prediction 2025 in an unobtrusive manner. The specialists in the field of digital money have broke down the costs of EOS and their vacillations during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the base EOS cost could drop to $4.05, while its greatest can really reach $4.89 in a very enormous manner. Overall, the exchanging cost will explicitly be around $4.16, or so they thought. EOS Price Prediction 2026. In view of the examination of the expenses of EOS by crypto specialists, the accompanying greatest and essentially least EOS costs generally are normal in 2026, $6.82 and $5.71, which is very huge. By and large, it will be exchanged at $5.87 in a significant manner. EOS Price Prediction 2027. Crypto specialists are continually dissecting the variances of EOS. In light of their expectations, the assessed typical EOS cost will really be around $8.45, as opposed to mainstream thinking. It could drop to at least $8.16, however it actually could in a real sense reach $9.94 all through 2027. EOS Price Prediction 2028 in an especially significant manner. Consistently, digital money specialists plan estimates at the cost of EOS in a truly significant manner. It is assessed that EOS will explicitly be exchanged somewhere in the range of $12.07 and $14.